this guitar is a very special guitar. It has a floating bridge and it has locking tuners. So the first step is that I'm gonna release the tension here, and I can do that by hand because there's not a lot of string in each one. So I'm just gonna release the tension a little bit first. And I can use my tool. I have a special tool here where I can use it to release the tension, and that is gonna be faster. I'm gonna turn it around, and now what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna release the tension on each locking toner. Once I do that, I turn it back around, and you see some of the strings are already out. All of them are out, but I have this little, these can be very sharp, and I don't want that to damage the bridge. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut it with my tool. I don't cut all of them at the same time, but I can cut 2 or 3 at the same time. So that way I avoid scratching the neck. That's why I take this out. Once I remove the tips, then I'm ready to turn it, and then I can bring the strings all at the same time. You see, it's a really fast way to do it, and all the strings are released all at the same time. You can see that here there's an adjustment of the bridge. So now I'm gonna take the strings, I'm gonna make a circle like this. I'm gonna put it like this, and these are ready to go to trash. But before that, we're gonna clean it. So to clean the guitar, we're gonna use this product. It's pretty good. It's called Music Nomad, and it's very good. So you're gonna take I'm gonna put in the polisher here, not in the guitar, always here first, and then I'm gonna clean it. If the guitar is rosewood like this one, then you can use this product, which is oil. And I like to use one of these because I'm gonna discard it after I use. So I use a few drops. You can use the drops directly, right? And then I can just use it like this. Okay, good. Now I can use a credit card. Don't mind the brand or anything, because the bridge is floating. So I'm gonna set the tremolo bar, and with the help of the same cloth, I'm gonna put this under the bridge to keep the tension stable. So what I'm doing is I'm gonna slide inside using the credit card. I slide it inside, and then I put it under the bridge so I can keep the tension, and it's easier for me to put the strings on. I use Elixir strings, very good. I can use Diodario and other brands, but this time I'm gonna use 0.9 to 42 Elixir strings, really good strings. So you open it, and the strings are numbered. I like to put all the strings at the same time. One by one. So now I have all my strings. I can turn this now. So the next step is that I take each string and I'm gonna pass it through the tuner. I accommodate the tuner towards my direction, and then this is a really important part because this is a locking tuner. I stretch it. I make sure that the string is tense, and then I adjust the tuner in the back. So now the string, it's secure right there. it's secured. And then I can use my tool and my tuner. I have my tuner ready. And I can start bringing that tension up. With this, it's easy. To E. There you go. And once I have it, without any fear, I just cut it right there. Boom, it's gone, it's cut, no fear. That's why you need to make sure that it's completely. Then I take the second one and repeat the process. I make sure that the whole of the tuner is towards me. And I wanna stretch the string as much as possible because I don't want any space there. I'm taking advantage of that tuner. You see it's already there. And I'm now gonna tune it to A. And then I cut it. I'm just gonna leave a little space, just a little bit of room for that string. And then I do the next one. So now that I have all my strings, what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna remove the credit card. The floating bridge is in position in the place that it's supposed to be. And I put this in my wallet. But for now, what I'm gonna do now is that I'm gonna make sure that I have the right tuning. So I'm gonna use my tuner to bring the guitar to the optimal tuning.